Hello viewers, all of you are welcome at my channel online science class. Today we will talk about order of operation. Say this 2, say 4, say 12, 6. These are nothing but numbers. But if we put this, say, mathematical signs, it becomes a mathematical expression. We can simplify it. 4 into 2, that is 8, plus 12 divided by 6, that is 2, equals to 10. Very simple. But sometimes this may not be simple. Okay, say 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. What should be the steps? What should be the procedures? Which operation we will do first and which one next? Some people say first we will do this division. Then what is coming? 8 divided by 4, that is 2, multiplied by 2 equals 4. Okay. Some people say no, we will do this multiplication first. So it becomes 8 divided by 8. So answer becomes 1. So same expression we are getting two answers. But for mathematics we should reach unique answer. So some rules are laid out. Okay. That is the sequence of these mathematical operations. Which one we should do first, then which one is next. And this sequence is called order of operation. And to memorize this order of operation, the most popular way of memorizing, that is BOD MAS and PEMDAS. So what is B? Means bracket. B is bracket. O is off or order. D is division. M for multiplication. A addition. S subtraction. Here P, it is parenthesis. E for exponent. This M multiplication, D division, A addition, is subtraction. So this is the sequence. First we will look into the bracket. Bracket means there is, say this is small bracket, this is curly or second bracket, then there is big or third bracket. First we should simplify the innermost group, that is of first bracket. This is first, and after this we will simplify the expression under second bracket and then third bracket. This is the sequence. And we have to give priority on these exponents, that is some power 2 to the power 4, these exponents of or order of say 12 of 4, that is 12 multiplied by 4, and it is to be done first. Now just look here. If you see this, here it is division first, here multiplication first. Okay, but it is better to write as division oblique multiplication, division or multiplication, both. So this marked area, there is a different rule, not different, a specific rule. What it is? Say 8 divided by 4 multiplied by 2. Earlier we have seen we are getting two answers, one for doing this operation first and other for doing this operation first. So for this marked area, multiplication, division, addition and subtraction, we have to look from left to right. Look from left to right. And which operation comes first, we have to do first. Here, if we look from here, this operation comes first. So 8 divided by 4 equals 2. And 2 equals 4. This is the right answer. For this area, especially for multiplication and division, which one comes first? Say if it were 8 multiplied by 4 divided by 2. So looking from left to right, from left to right, this operation is coming first. So we have to do this operation first. So 4 8 32 divided by 2 equals to 16. Okay? Because many people do the mistake here. Some people, they think that division should be done first. Some people think no, multiplication should be done first. But the rule is, you look from left to right, which one comes first, you do that operation first. Okay? Now, let us carry out one example. Okay? Let us carry out one example so that I will show you the steps to be taken in which fashion. So I am just writing this, say 10 plus third bracket 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 plus second bracket 6 minus 4 plus 3 2 square minus 2 minus 2 second bracket, yeah, curly bracket closed, then closing third bracket. Say, so we have to first concentrate in the first bracket, the segment of under first bracket. So just let us write all these things as it is. 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 plus second bracket 6 minus 4 plus 3. Here this is minus and this is exponent 2 to the power 2. So we have to give priority here. So 2 square means 4 minus 2 minus 2 curly bracket, then big bracket. So it becomes 10 plus here 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 plus 6 minus 4 plus 3. 4 minus 2 is 2, that is 3 is outside the bracket, so 3 multiplied by 2 minus 2. This becomes 10 plus 10 divided by 5 into 2 plus, here it comes 6 minus 4 plus, here the multiplication, here it is subtraction, addition, subtraction, this is multiplication. So multiplication to be done first. 3 into 2, 6 minus 2. Now this step 10 plus, as it is 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 2 plus, here it is addition and subtraction. So 6 minus 4, that is 2 plus 6, 8 minus 2, that is 6. So this is coming as 6. Okay. So third bracket. Now 10 plus, here this is addition and this is division and multiplication. We have to do first, from looking from left to right, we have to do the division first. So 10 divided by 5 equals 2 into 2 plus 6. Okay, this one is first. So 10 plus 2 into 2, 4 plus 6. So 10 plus 10 equals 20. So this is a sequence. First we have to simplify the portion under small bracket. Then after it is over, we have to concentrate to simplify the segment under second bracket. Then last of all third bracket. So these are the steps to be followed. Besides, priority to be given to some operations like square, here exponents, say 2 square, or say root, or say bar bracket. Okay. Say there is an expression 6 minus 4 multiplied by 2. In this expression, we have to do 6 minus 4 into 2, that is 8. But if this bar bracket were there, then we have to do this one first, 2 into 2. Okay. Similarly for root, say 4 into root 9. We have to do 4 into root 9 means 3, taking the positive value. This way, this bar bracket or the exponents priority should be given, whether they are within the brackets or outside the brackets. Okay. So this is the order of operation. Also, this can be done simultaneously. Okay. So that to minimize the number of steps, like say 10 divided by 5 plus 6 into 3. So here plus is here. So one segment is this and one segment is this. Can do this 2 plus 18. Simultaneously, this can be done. to minimize the steps depending on how the expression has been written. So we discussed today about order of operation or simplification of mathematical expression. If you like it, please subscribe my channel, and thank you.